What's up YouTube, it's me again with another video. In this video I'm gonna make cheese sticks like out of breadcrumbs. And for this one I'm gonna be using mozzarella for mozzarella, 2 eggs, breadcrumbs, oil, and ketchup for the dipping, guys. And I buy the mozzarella from a store, guys. And yeah, not time for talking, so let's get started right now. First is to take your mozzarella first, like this. And I'm just gonna open the package, guys. Uh, just gonna open the package, guys. Oh, there we go. Use. And got that open. There we go. There we go, guys. And what you're gonna do is to make like a little cheese sticks like this. And I'm gonna show you how to make the breadcrumbs, guys, right now. First, I'm gonna beating the eggs like this. It's like
Yeah, guys. Guys.
wait, you're not. Yeah,
Guys. I love you guys. Guys.
So gross.
Guys.
I'm just gonna whisk. Like that, and just wait a minute, wait for a second, guys. And I just got this on, guys, to make sure. And I'm just gonna really like this. This, guys.
Really amazing, guys. It's really
So you done that, and wait a minute.
Oh my god.
Let's just put up. Wait. What juice ko? What juice ko, Tito?
All that stuff when you finish.
And you done this, guys, so I'm gonna be right back for the rest. After you done like this, it should look like this, guys. Now it should like a bit orange, and let's go to the deep fryer, guys.
Open the
We just put like frying pan, and how many ounces of oil? Just gonna put down oil like I don't know how many ounces. Just holy shit. Make sure it's like enough oil, guys. I think it needs a bit more. Please. Yep. Okay, it's finally time for these things, guys. So I'm gonna just put one by one like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There you go, guys. Get them fried. We still have to stir them like this. For sure. Yeah.
Itong fire namin para hindi masunog din. Okay. Sige lang, putang lang ba?
Yeah, guys. Look at that. I feel like it's gonna batok, guys. It's boiling, it's crazy, guys. Look at that. It's boiling, it's crazy. So, that's good right now. You need to flip it over like that, guys. So just flip it over. Do it over like that until it's golden brown. Guys. Golden brown. Yeah, that's how you do it, guys. Something like that. And once it's done, it should be like really crispy. Yeah, just flip it, still flip it over. Is it done now? Oh. So crispy. That is so crispy. So crispy. After you done it like that, guys, it's gonna put. Wait, is this? Oh man. Crispy. After you done that, guys, should look like this. And now I'm gonna put a sauce. Mmm, so delicious. And that's how you make cheese sticks, guys, mozzarella cheese sticks. So that is it, guys. If you like this video or this cooking video, please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon for the next cooking video, guys. Peace.